This is the video guide that will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Arcus. Arcus is a ransomware targeting many Windows computers all over the world. My video will be only for the educational purposes. So I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, there are no troubles opening any file names, file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Arcus ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and because of that, very soon people just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages the data considerably. So very soon it is just impossible to open the files because of this Arcus ransomware. So here are the consequences. The ransomware reveals this ransom note. It tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. The ransomware is called Arcus because it encrypts files and appends this Arcus extension to the file names. To remove the ransomware, I recommend you to use a special software called Cleaner, and you may get it on the official website compermized.com. By the way, you may get Cleaner through either of your available browsers. For instance, you may get Cleaner through Internet Explorer browser or through any other browser if you can. So to get Cleaner through Internet Explorer browser, you need to access program files and then choose Internet Explorer folder, and you may go to the page compermized.com. After you download the program, start the application and start researching your system with its help. After you start Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.